like a normal mom would do. I'm a first time mom.
God.
Hey, God.
I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog, guys. So today, this is afternoon. No, not afternoon. This is evening, around 4 o'clock, and I think this is the first video I am making again. And I really want you guys to tell me in the comment section how you feel about all my videos. Okay, the ones that made you to click into my videos. I would love to know that, because it will actually help me in knowing you guys more. So let's dive into this vlog. Today I've been doing a lot of things. I've been doing so many house chores like a normal mom would do. I'm a first time mom, and it's been really sweet. All the experiences I am getting, I think I was really expecting it. I'm being without help. God has been my helper, and actually I have families helping me here and there, and I am really so much happy about it. Okay guys, so I don't know how today will be. I think why I'm making this vlog now is because I'm actually relaxed, and over time I've been a lot of busy timing, but right now I'm feeling relaxed. And today is Tuesday, and I'm really so happy that I'm making this video now because I'm a little less busy. So guys, pardon me for being inconsistent, but I pray that I'll be consistent going forward. And I actually have a package coming in for me from TEMU, though it's not really one of that, just some household things I needed. I think few household items, and the rest personal use things. But they have been calling me, the delivery man has been calling me, and I'm expecting to go and pick it up any moment from now. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright guys. So guys, mind knowing the things I bought from TEMU. Here is what they call it, binder, stomach binder. That's after delivery binder. It's I don't know what they mean by this 5 probably maybe the size. So this is what I got, and I think I'm gonna use it for my tummy. I think it's tummy tug. All right, well, I do call it binder. You need to bind your tummy so that the tummy can get back to its original size after birth. Actually, not that I have that so much tummy, but right now I think overall weight loss is what I'm actually trying to get, and at the same time I think this will help me. So that's why I ordered it from TEMU, and I'm not tried it, but let me see how it goes. Don't know. Then this very one here, this is I think somehow when you get to TEMU, they will just make it to be so big, but actually look at the right size. The original size here is as small as this, or let's say small. But anyhow, I think it's for hand sewing machine, something of that nature. I've not tried it, but I can go through the manual very well. Then when I go through the manual and I know how they are using it for clothes, maybe when you are sewing your clothes, look as if you sewed it with a normal machine. I think that's it. It has a thread round, just like you're using your machine. So I think I have to try it first, know how it is. I haven't tried it. Ollie, bring it. I haven't tried it yet. Then the foot match, I've already placed it. I have been in need of that foot match, so I have to place the order for it. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. What else did I even get? What else was that? What was it? Okay, yeah. The sink cover, the sink for the sink in my kitchen. The thing or balance, balance is on there. That's not there like that. Probably not the size. Anyway, these are the things I got from them. Just few things, few household things. I said let me try and know how it is. But it's actually, I think the delivery is okay for me. That's what I can see. Then this is my hair. Let me see what I can do about it. Alright guys. That's it for TEMU haul. TEMU, you know, unboxing, yeah.
One day later.
Hey guys, hello guys, good evening guys. I'm actually very late to the market I want to go, and this is evening. Today is Tuesday, guys. How you all doing? So now, on this vlog, I didn't actually plan to go to the market, but I just found out that I need to rush to the market and get something. Okay, good evening guys. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's connect. Okay guys, so my hair, as you can see, is still bushy. I don't have any plan to plait it, but I just brush it off and comb it, put it for the right time that will come out for me, so that I can go and do the hair and have another new look. But right now, follow me to the market to get some things I need for the soup I want to cook. Okay guys, see you guys there, right? So what's for doing now? Maybe you should have given. Let's give you that one that she has. Has she gone far? Oh my God. Gotta remove this. Thank you. Hey, God. Oh, what have free mother even? Where they gonna kill? Abi always look. Always look. I thought I did most times now. Hey God. I don't understand. This one I don't understand. This particular one when you talk now, sir. This one is the one I don't understand. You go. Oh God, I'm language. You they laugh. Okay, now you can explain for me. See, as I want make you explain. Now you go explain. Now you know now. I.